It's a local vegetable market of Thailand. As you can see, variety of vegetables and fruits are sold here. Lovely, isn't it? Hello, how are you? Hi. So today I'm cooking bitter gourd curry. The recipe is very simple and easy to prepare. So to start with, we have to chop off the ends with the skin. No need to peel off the skin in this recipe. In my last recipe, I have shown you how to prepare threaded and stuffed bitter gourd in a rich curry. So today's recipe is all about, the easiness, how to prepare them in an easy way. So here I am thinly slicing these bitter gourds one by one. Now I am taking 4 to 5 pieces of green chilies. Remove the stem. Okay. Now make a slit like this. Today I am making bitter gourds in mango curry. This mango curry will taste awesome with a sweet and tangy taste. Generally, I prefer using raw mangoes for this bitter gourd curry. In case you don't have raw mango, you can use, that mango which is not fully ripe. Remove the skin and I will be grating this slice of mango for the recipe. I'm done with this step. Now I'm going to take one onion and I'm going to slice it. You can either use a knife to cut the onion into thin slices, thin and long slices, or you can use this kind of machine. That will be easy. Pour 2 tablespoons of edible oil in a karhai or in a deep pan and add these bitter gourd slices. Saute them until they are golden brown. It will take around 7 to 10 minutes till they get golden in color. After that, I am going to add these onion slices. Same thing we have to do with the onions. We have to cook them until they are caramelized. It's been around 8 minutes and now it's time to add the grated mango to give that kind of flavor to the gravy. And not only this, it will also reduce the bitterness of the bitter gourds, keeping all the qualities of bitter gourd intact. Add salt according to your taste. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Red pepper powder around 1 teaspoon or according to taste. Mix them very well and cook by covering it with the lid for about 5 minutes more. We have cooked this mixture of bitter gourd for enough time. Now we can add 2 chopped tomatoes and 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Saute them well for about 5 minutes. The aroma is coming nice. Everything is cooked properly. Now we can serve the bitter gourd curry and we can eat it with chapati, naan or rice. Well, this is the easiest recipe to cook bitter gourds without removing any bitterness or removing the seeds or pith inside the bitter gourds. In case you want to add more flavor to this gravy or make it more rich, you can add 1 cup of yogurt or coconut cream to this preparation. It will taste delicious.